melodies, feel the vibe. One love, one heart, we rise tonight. Oh, yeah. Morning sun is shining on the ocean line. I hear the waves dancing with the bass so fine. Step by step I walk with an open mind. Reggae on the road, leave the worries behind. Light up the soul, let the spirit grow. Every little trouble slowly letting go. Freedom in the wind, let the good vibes flow. Island melody taking control. Raise your hands up high, let the colors paint the sky. Positive energy, feel it multiply. Together we fly on the ride and flow. Let the sunshine take your soul. Move your body nice and slow. Reggae vibes forever glow. On the island rhythm flow. Like a heartbeat down below. One love everywhere we go. Feel the freedom overflow. Walking through the beach with the sand so warm. Heartbeat steady like a tropical drum. Smiling faces everywhere I turn. Good vibes spreading, feel the fire burn. Drift through the night with a peaceful tone. Every little moment feels like home. Under moonlight we are never alone. Positive vibration in every bone. Raise your hands up high, let the stars reflect the sky. Love is the reason why we keep shining bright. Island rhythm flow, let the sunshine take your soul. Move your body nice and slow. Reggae vibes forever glow. Island rhythm flow. Everywhere we go. Let's took the Rasi levy pan grind. Oh na na na, keep it slow. Oh yeah yeah yeah, let it grow. Feel the waves, feel the bass, feel the light on your face. Oh na na na, don't you worry now. Oh yeah yeah yeah, we will show you how. Reggae is the healing sound. Lift your spirits off the ground. Na 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 yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Sunset colors drifting in the evening glow. People gather round where the palm trees grow. Laughing, singing, letting all the worries go. Island rhythm steady like a river flow. Pass the light, share the joy tonight. Let your heart shine big and bright. Every soul dancing in the warm twilight. Reggae love guiding us right. Island flow. Take it high and take it low. Move your body nice and slow. Let the good vibes overflow. One island rhythm flow. One love to everyone you know. Feel the harmony grow. Like sunshine in your soul. Yeah, yeah. Oh, island rhythm take control. One love, one soul. Reggae music makes us whole. Let it bright, let it bright. Oh, feel the freedom inside. Nine breeze singing with the ocean tide. Reggae melody on every side. Footsteps dancing, hearts open wide. In this rhythm we all unite. Hold the moment, don't let it fade. Music healing every scar we made. Light of love we celebrate. Island spirit
the sunlight dancing on my skin. A peaceful island morning where a new day begins. The drums start softly beating like a heartbeat in the sand, guiding every step I take across this blessed land. My spirit feels the calling of the roots within my soul. A fire slowly rising, making every moment whole. Roots of the heart, beating from the start, growing through the rhythm like a piece of island art. Roots of the heart, keeping us aligned, love within the music and the peace we always find. Roots of the heart, calling day and night, holding to the truth and the eternal guiding light. The ocean wind is singing as it moves across my face, teaching me the meaning of a calm and steady pace. The mountains in the distance stand like guardians of time, protecting all the memories of this reggae state of mind. I hear the elders chanting, voices strong and full of grace, reminding me that love is what we're put here to embrace. Hold on to the feeling, don't let the moment fade. Every joy we're given is a blessing that was made. Listen to the heartbeat, listen to the drum, feel the island harmony in everything we've become. Roots of the heart, steady as the sea, guiding every soul who seeks true harmony. Roots of the heart, deeper than the tide, leading us to peace that's growing from inside. Roots of the heart, rising through the pain, turning every storm into sunshine once again. Whoa. Walking by the shoreline where the waves kiss the coast, I find the inspiration in the things I love the most. A child is laughing freely, barefoot running wide. The innocence of joy reflects the spirit of the child. An elder sits in silence with wisdom in his eyes. He says the roots of living are the love that never dies. Let the roots grow deeper, deeper in your soul. Let the rhythm heal you, let the music take control. Let the wind remind you everything is one, from the rising moonlight to the morning sun. Yeah, deeper, deeper, roots forever grow. Night begins to fall and the fire lights the beach. The stars above the island feel so close, so within reach. The people gather round with instruments in hand, dealing songs together as one loving reggae band. We sing of peace and freedom, of unity and trust. For love is the foundation that survives when life gets tough. Roots of the heart, stronger every day, guiding every heartbeat in a warm and gentle way. Roots of the heart, glowing like the fire, filling every soul with hope and burning deep desire. Roots of the heart, lifting us above, teaching us the meaning of eternal island love. Oh, roots of the heart, roots of the soul, take me higher, make me whole. Oh, let the rhythm guide my way, let the sunshine fill my day. Oh, one love, one beat, one destiny. Roots of the heart, forever flowing free. Moonlight paints the waters with the silver sacred glow. And every wave reminds me there is more I need to know. The teachings of the island, the stories of the earth, the roots that give us meaning, and the love that holds our word. So I keep on walking forward with the truth I've come to see. The roots of every heartbeat lead us to serenity. Roots of the heart, ancient and divine, flowing through our spirit like the sweetest island wine. Roots of the heart, shining through the night, faith in every soul, surrounded by the light. Roots of the heart, born from love alone. Every beat reminds us this island is our home. Oh, yeah. Roots of the heart, forever growing, forever rising. Rhythm of love.